Hello students, welcome back to the online English class. In today's video, we are going to understand the third type of degree of comparison. First of all, we will see the answers of our previous type exercise, type 2 exercise. Here on the screen, answers are there. These answers you cross check with those answers which you have written in your notebook. If you were confused and you did not write, then you can write these answers also. If you have any doubts, you can ask. Pause the video and copy these answers and cross check these answers with your answers. Whenever exercise is given, you always try to solve by your own, and afterwards you look towards the answers. Checking the answers by any other source should be our last option, but as far as possible we should try to solve by our own. Now let us understand the type 3. Vijay Singh is one of the oldest teachers. Here you see how is the comparison. Comparison is of one person between other people, one between other. Okay, in the previous type we have seen one person compared with any other, all other. Okay, and here one person is compared between all other. How? Vijay Singh is one of the oldest teachers. Some old teachers are there, oldest teachers are there, and Vijay Singh is between them, out of them. He is out of them, out of those old teachers. Means these many teachers are same in seniority, in oldness. So here we will see if this is a superlative, how will be its comparative. Vijay Singh is older than many or most other teachers. Here what we are telling, we are not telling any other. We are not telling here any other. We are telling many or most other. So whenever here I am going to underline this, one of the is present. One of the plus superlative degree of the adjective. This structure is present in a superlative. Then its comparative will be comparative degree of adjective plus than plus many other most other. Okay, comparative degree of adjective plus than plus many other most other. These are the keywords you have to remember. And in positive degree, very few plus this as and the positive degree of the adjective. Very few teachers are as old as Vijay Singh is, or Vijay Singh. At last you can use is or you can omit, no problem. So here you see this is how type 3 comparison is there, and now we are going to understand how to do this transformation. If one of the comes in the sentence of superlative degree, comparative degree of such sentence will be, if one of the comes, then while converting such sentence, following changes will be made. A, one of the will be removed from the sentence. Use er instead of est form of the adjective and more instead of most. If most is given, sometime most plus the adjective will be given, that will be converted into more in comparative degree. Thereafter, after adjective, use than many other. Okay, this many is more important here. Many other or most other, anyone you can use, no problem, but not any other. And complete the sentence by joining the remaining part. Now such formula we are going to see: superlative degree sentence, subject plus helping verb plus one of the plus adjective plus noun plus adverb phrase. Example: he is one of the most handsome boys in the city. And one more important thing you have to remember here is that after one of the structure, this noun will be in plural form, because a group is there, one of the most handsome boys, a group is there, one of the intelligent people. So after this one of the structure, you have to use plural form of the adjective of the noun, because out of those people, this our one subject is also there. This is why comparison between these all people. Now comparative degree sentence: subject plus helping verb plus adjective with er form plus than any other plus noun plus adverbial phrase. He is more handsome than many other or most other, you can write, boys in the city. Here after many other also you use the plural form of this noun. After any other we use singular form. After many other or most other we use plural form. This is how comparative degree. Now positive degree, how to do? A. Start the sentence with very few. Sentence will start with very few. Okay. This one of the than many other. What if a superlative degree sentence is given to you? One of the you will remove. If comparative sentence is given to you, than many other or than most other, you will remove. Then use adverbial phrase after very few. Very few. Okay, after very few, what we use noun, after that adverbial phrase. After adverbial phrase, use helping verb in plural form. After adverbial phrase, helping verb will be used in plural form, because very few you are writing. Few means more than one. Few means more than one. So very few means very less number of people. So people or things. So here, if very few is there means more than one. If more than one is there, then helping verb will be plural. So after that helping verb, you will use after helping verb you will use adjective between as, and at last you use the subject. Here one point I add: very few boys in the city are as handsome as he. Now let us see exercises here. One I do for you exercise. Shreya Ghoshal is one of the most famous singers in India. Shreya Ghoshal is more famous than many other singers in India. Shreya Ghoshal is more famous than many other or most other singers in India. Like this, the structure becomes he is more handsome than many other or most other boys in the city. The same structure. Shreya Ghoshal is more famous than many other or most other singers in India. Here don't use more famous singer. Here after famous adjective directly this than we have to write. And this way we have to do upcoming sentences also. Now in positive degree, very few we have to take first. Very few singers in India. Here this singers noun will come in plural form. This you have to remember. Very few singers in India are as famous as Shreya Ghoshal. Very few singers in India are as famous as Shreya Ghoshal. So this is how you have to solve the remaining exercise. One I have done, others you have to do by your own. Here pause the video and copy this exercise. This exercise you have to do into the notebook, and the rules of the degree given in this video you have to copy in the notebook. Seventh one, and thereafter these two. So this is how our today's video was. If you have any doubt you can ask. Solve the exercise. Take care. Thank you so much.